Hi guys, I'm back with another video, Cardi B and the dog. Let's get into it. Y'all, I had to bring this back because when I watched this, I was cracking up. Like, that dog is obsessed with Cardi B. Some people said that the dog is obsessed with Cardi B. Love them long nails, the fact she's pregnant, the vibe and everything. That dog just want to be up under her. So somebody had asked the question, if it's Culture's dog, then why Culture ain't never around it, or why Culture ain't ever got it? That's usually how it works. A lot of times you get a dog for a little child. Most time the little child is not going to have the dog. It's going to be the grown-up that take care of the dog. The dog is just there. When the little child want to go play with the dog, they can go play with the dog. When they ain't want to mess with the dog no more, they ain't got to. It's all up to the parent. But it is supposed to be Culture's dog, because Offset and Cardi B made a video of Offset giving a dog to Culture. It's supposed to be Culture's dog. It is, but you know how that works. You get a dog for a child, you might as well say it's your dog too. It's really your responsibility. And Cardi B, I guess, is the one that's mainly around right now, because Offset them is out of town or somewhere else. So she's out of town with the dog. I don't know how that's working, but you know that's how it works. You get a child dog, you might as well say it's your dog. But anyway, before we get into the videos, y'all thumbs the video up, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you be notified of my videos. Here we go. Stop. Stop. No, I hate that. I hate you. A maniac. A maniac. A fucking maniac. Here, chicken nugget. Can I give her a chicken nugget or she'll die?
Oh my God. And you see her payoff in her poop.
Oh, fuck it. Here's a chicken nugget.
Yeah, sure. Getting on your ass even more aggressive.
Te tiró con un peo. Eso fue emoción. Dice, es un enamorado sin vergüenza. Los enamorados no tiran peo delante de la mujer.
She wagging her tail too.
Ain't that hard too.
¿Qué vamos a hacer? Eso va.
Who's going to get which?
Y'all see what I mean? That dog is all over her, trying to bite her fingernails, trying to be up under her. And she's eating, so you know good while a dog is going to be under her, she's eating. That dog wants some of that food too. But anyway, I think the dog really liked Cardi B anyway. But y'all comment down below. Y'all give me a thumbs up on my video. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. Subscribe to my other channels if you hadn't already. Make sure you check me out on social media, and make sure you check out my shop. Make sure you click that bell for notification of my videos. Make sure you check out my IGT page and shop with your girl. Make sure you go over to Banger Plate Gang and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, be blessed.
Anyway, enough of that stuff.